It's raining out there this morning. They got to pull the airplanes out so they can pull us out. You can see it. Whoops. Back there. Oh, that's not working, is it? Okay. Yeah, but there's our plane. We're about to go out in the rain. Okay, there it goes. Today we're heading to St. Simone's Island. We'll drop off there, do a quick turn, and head right over to Naples. We'll spend the night there and head out first thing the next morning. Ooh, it's wet. Yeah, nothing like pre-flighting in the rain. It's just a special thing. Yeah. All good.
Florida's 1 Lima X-ray. TMU is going to send me a new route as soon as I get it. I'll give it to you. Expect the full route clearance.
Okay, I'm gonna run inside, take care of a few things. I will
80
call
crosses.
you back when I'm back in the cockpit and ready to go. How's that?
Florida's 1 Lima X-ray. Roger, give me a call back.
Appreciate it. Bye.
I have positive rate, sir.
You're up.
Here's coming up. You're stowed. Here's 400.
Flaps up, yacht Emperor.
Here comes the flaps. Y'all dampeners engaged.
406. Turn right, heading 150. Runway 8 right.
Okay, if you'd select vertical speed and heading, please.
Vertical speed. Comes your heading. Oops.
Okay, coming right.
Your heading's coming up.
There we go.
1,000 to go.
When to go?
Citation 9 uniform, contact St. Louis departure.
Okay, over departure for 9 uniform. Have a good day.
Autopods engaged. Leveling 3,000.
St. Louis departure, Citation 9 uniform, leveling 3,000, 150 on the heading.
Citation 9 uniform, departure radar contact, climb and maintain 5,000.
We'll climb and maintain 5,000, Citation 9 uniform.
5,000.
I said it.
Thank you. 5,000 seen.
Citation 9 uniform, proceed direct to plus, and contact approach 128.1.
Okay, plus and 28-1, 9 uniform, have a good day.
Number 5411 Alpha, your radar or IFR cancellation received, thank you.
Okay, direct plus.
Alrighty, I see it. And St. Louis departure, Citation 9 uniform, 3.7, climbing 5,000.
9 uniform, St. Louis approach. Good morning. Climb maintain 15,000. Expect light chop above 7,500.
Okay, we'll climb maintain 15,000, 9 uniform.
Okay, climb maintain 15,000.
Set it.
Wing engine and tail, and I selected off.
Alright, gears up, flaps are up, throttles are set, engine sync's coming on, yaw dampeners engaged, ignitions, discretion.
Back to norm.
Passenger safety, we're going to leave that on. We've got some chop coming. Pressurization check set, 100 feet. Got 30, 36, 1, 2, 3 times. Here comes the Rex. Any ICD-ICE, you've got them on. I'm going to bring the APU down.
Jet 406 is a 4.4 for 5,000. So Jet 406, St. Louis departure. Climb maintain 15,000. Expect light chop above 7,500.
Okay, that's the 15,000 now, the Jet 406.
Jet 406, when able, proceed direct Centralia.
Okay, direct Centralia when able, Jet 406.
Okay, temperature's coming down. Wing and engine's back on. And the tail. We'll have to make sure we get that tail off. Probably going to be in this for a little while.
Citation 9 uniform, contact Kansas City Center 127.47.
Okay, over to KC on 2747, 9 uniform. Have a good day.
Yeah.
Kansas City Center, Citation 9 uniform, 10.3, climbing 15,000.
Station 9 uniform, Kansas City Center, roger, climb to flight level 330.
Okay, we'll climb maintain flight level 330, Citation 9 uniform.
330 is seen.
406, Kansas City, climb to
I was really hoping we would break out by now.
Sub 1716, Kansas City Center, roger.
Yeah, the radar's just not showing much at all out here. Well, it looks like we're going to go through a little break in the line.
Kansas City Center, roger.
That's a good thing. Starting to see the sun.
Hell yeah.
I want to get the breakout. A nice clean breakout, but it doesn't look like it's going to be that, does it?
No.
Kind of a disappointment.
But when you do your editing, you can play the song Here Comes the Sun.
Oh, that's right. But then I'll have a copyright strike and they'll come after me and all that stuff. Okay, I'm leaving the NIS home because it looks like we're going right back into it.
Alright, 9s and 2s.
Yes, sir.
Here comes
Thank you.
the Rex. And the APU is already secured.
Oh, now we got a breakout. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, wing and engine is coming off. Nice breakout. Okay, flaps to land.
Flaps to land.
St. Simon traffic, Citation 9 uniform is on a base for runway 4, St. Simon.
It says white caps on the water.
Yeah, it's breezy down there. You're right about that.
Citation 9 uniform. We're on a 2-mile final, runway 4, St. Simon.
Three green, no red, fully configured. Landing lights are on.
500. $300.
Golden Isle, Pilatus 954
200.
Alpha Fox.
Minimums.
954 Alpha Foxtrot, you can reach the FBO on 13065 3065.
The FBO? Okay. See, there's a hotel right next to the FBO. We just dropped them off here. They're going to play golf over the weekend. We're doing a quick turn, taking on fuel here, just enough to waive the ramp fee, and then we head to Naples. We're doing a trip within a trip. The Naples trip leaves at 10 in the morning, back to Spirit, drop off, then back over here to pick up these gentlemen and go back tomorrow afternoon. I don't know where that weather's going to be this time tomorrow, but I sure as hope it's not going to be here, but could be, could be. Okay, we got it cleaned up. Chet will be out here in just a little bit. We'll head over to Naples, have lunch, check into our hotel room. He said he wants barbecue, so we'll see what they got there as far as barbecue. There's a place across from the airport that's good, I like, but he was talking about a different place.
Airspeed's alive. You're not cross-check, V1, rotate.
St. Simon traffic, we're going to taxi to the FBO.
Positive rate,
gear up please.
Selected. Gear indicates up. 400 feet.
Claps in yaw dampener please.
Selected. Engaged. That guy's below us. St. Simon Island, Citation Outer uniform is off runway 4, leaving the area to the southwest, St. Simon. All right, here we go.
The W.
Number 10897 affirmative, cleared to from the St. Simon Island Airport to Barts Airport via direct for now. I maintain 3,000. Expect 6,000, 10 minutes at departure. This is departure frequency, squawk code is 3002. You are released now. Your clearance is voided off in 5 minutes. It takes now 1648. It's not up by 1648, advising delay to the 1650.
Okay, so cleared to the Bartow Executive Airport via direct. Climb 3,000, maintain 3,000, expect 6,000, 10 minutes after departure. Stay on this frequency and squawk 3002, 10897.
Come on, read back correct. Jack's approach, Citation 9 uniform is leveling 4,500 just off St. Simone to Naples. Jack Center, Citation 9 uniform.
Got to jump on the landline for a moment. Got 9 uniform, Jackson. Are you on the ground at St. Simon?
We're actually in the air 4,500, just about a mile to the south.
And now November 9 uniform, squawk code 7236.
7236, 9 uniform.
I'm sorry, 7326.
7326.
And November 5022, Jacksonville Center, have you leveling at 15, climb maintain level 180.
Okay, we're squawking.
I'll leave this 183, Jackson, is that you at a 29 for 24? November 9 uniform, Jackson, Roger, you are ready to contact about 3.5 miles to the southwest of the St. Simon Island Airport at a 4,500. You cleared to the Naples Airport via as you have filed for now, climb maintain 6,000. Altimeter Jacksonville 3021.
3021, climb maintain 6,000 and cleared as filed to Naples for 9 uniform. Okay, so let's do this. We have direct. My plan. Great. Activate. Nav's engaged.
Thank you.
Set heading.
For 9 uniform, climb maintain 16,000. 16, the altimeter at Jacksonville 3021.
3021, climb maintain 16,000, 9er uniform.
21 set.
This is 183, Jackson, you on out of 27 for 24? This is 183, Jackson, Center, welcome to East Center, maintain level 23023. Wing A1, descend to maintain 16,000.
I have to take off complete.
Altimeter Jacksonville 3021. Tiger 11, Jack Center, Roger, climb maintain level 23023.
$300. $200. Minimums. $50, $40, $30, $20, $10, $5.
Speed brakes extended.
Okay, here we are. We're heading to the, well, we're going to get lunch first, then to the hotel. It was really busy coming in here. Very busy. Very bumpy.
I got you online from 0800 tonight. If you don't mind just wrapping around. And
tonight?
I mean tomorrow, sorry.
Oh, tomorrow. Okay, yeah.
You'll have to excuse me. If you just take a right, it'll wrap you around to the front. If you can just make sure you check in before you head out.
I got it. Appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, I still got to pull up front, check in with the front desk. Okay. There we go. There's Ted enjoying his. Get some of these airplanes up here. Oh man, we don't know which one of these is ours. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the likes and comments. And if you made it this far, you need to subscribe. That way you'll find out about future videos coming out. And if you want to buy me a cup of coffee, you can always toss a buck in my Patreon. I appreciate everything. You guys keep the blue side up, the brown side down, and fly safe. And as always, be good.